To customize cover screen clock on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here we're gonna scroll down and we need to find the cover screen. And then here in cover screen we should be able to simply tap on the current screen that we have for our cover display. Now here we can tap on the clock, and of course we can resize it. We can grab by one of these corners to resize the clock. You should also be able to move it around if you want to, or you can just position it to the middle. Now, besides that, we have the option to change the font, so you can choose any of these fonts that you would like to use. And we also have some animated options as well, and you can adjust the thickness of the font, at least for some of them. You can adjust the thickness of the font. There we go. You can choose the color as well, so you can pick any color that you would like to use. You can also open the color wheel over here, or you can set it automatic to adopt colors from wallpaper. Here in style, we have a couple of different clock faces that you can, of course, switch to. And if you have limited options in here, of course, you can change to a font that is, for example, not animated, and most likely you will find more options. Besides that, we can show the weather information and move the date to be above the clock or below it by using the switcher over here. And that is pretty much all. Of course, once you are done with the customization, just tap on Done in the upper right corner, and that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.